Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to flag off the Padyatra from Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat to reenact the famous Dandi March carried out by Mahatma Gandhi to be marking the beginning of Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, a government initiative to mark 75 years of India's independence. My colleague Priyanka is live with us, getting us the latest developments that she is tracking. Priyanka, a big day today, of course. You are reporting live from the Gandhi Ashram in Ahmedabad. Prime Minister Narendra Modi all set to mark Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. He is also set to flag off the Mahotsav in a reacting of Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March. Now, this also comes at a time where India is celebrating 75 years of independence. What are you picking up?
Absolutely. Let me show you the mood on the ground, because this is where the entire celebration is going to be flagged off from. Like you very rightly said, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected at around 10:30. But let me show you the view of the entire celebration. The place, we're inside Sabarmati Ashram right now. The heart and soul of the place where, in fact, Mahatma Gandhi had started the Satyagraha movement and the non-violence movement. And of course, the place, the anniversary today of the Dandi March that he had carried out, which had ended subsequently in April, in Dandi area of Navsari, which is a district in Gujarat, which is exactly what the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also going to be flagging off today. Because what we see here is a lot of people of the ideology, the followers of Mahatma Gandhi, in fact, have actually gathered here to witness this event, because this is not just going to be the celebration of the Independence Day itself, but also almost 100 people, we're being told, are going to be actually marching from Ahmedabad to Navsari, which is another district in Gujarat, and it is also going to end after 25 days. This is a 25-day long march that they're going to be walking on, and we've also been told that ministers, the Minister of State, several political leaders as well are going to be taking part in this. 100 people from here, but there are going to be several other people who are going to join in with this march. And you can see that people who have gathered here, in fact, are waiting for all of those people who are going to be marching from Ahmedabad to Dandi to make sure that they also give them the motivation and also give them the support and show their support and in the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi as well, that there is Gandhi alive amongst us, the idea of Gandhi, the philosophy of Gandhi. And of course, we're going to also try to speak to some of the people who have been sitting here, who have been waiting very eagerly to make sure that they witness this entire event. If I could speak to you, ma'am, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग गैदर हुए हैं आज के दिन दांडी मार्च का एनिवर्सरी भी है और प्रधानमंत्री यहाँ पे फ्लैग ऑफ करने वाले हैं.
Yes, we are very excited, but of course it's a Dandi March. It's a day where we got a liberty. Our thought processes were processed, and that is how we are here today, because
there are going to be hundreds of people who are going to be taking on this march. Do you also are here to show their support, show your support for them as well for this?
Of course, because we look forward to the future India.
Absolutely. So, this is really the sentiment here. We'll try to get in a word from some of the people who are actually going to be taking part in this entire march as well, because there are several people, as you can see, who have gathered here, dignitaries who are going to be taking part in this entire event as well. And, we'll try to get in a word from some people who have gathered here, people who are the believers of the ideology of Gandhi. Sir, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठा हुए हैं. आज दांडी मार्च का एनिवर्सरी है और आज 75th ईयर इंडिपेंडेंस का सेलिब्रेशन भी किक ऑफ होने वाला है.
बहुत आनंद है आज हमको कि आज नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी यहाँ आके हमारा गुजरात में ये दांडी यात्रा को उजागर करके हमारे नौयुवानों को बहुत बहुत ये बधाई भी दे रहे हैं और उसको प्रोत्साहित कर रहे हैं कि ये दांडी यात्रा का महत्व क्या था और आज के ये युवाओं में उसको जागरूक कर.
ये युवाओं को के लिए भी काफ़ी बड़ा एक इवेंट है, क्योंकि जो यंगस्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने काफ़ी सारा जो देखा नहीं पहले के स्ट्रगल्स, इंडिपेंडेंस स्ट्रगल्स के भी काफ़ी सारे सर्वाइवर्स यहाँ पे हैं, तो उन सबको भी एक प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा इन सबको दांडी मार्च में जाने.
दांडी यात्रा एक बहुत भारत देश की सबसे बड़ी चढ़वड़ थी और आज के युवाओं में की जागरूकता बहुत ज़रूरी है. हमारे साथ अभी जो 81 युवा में मेरे साथ में आए हैं, हमने 19 में यहाँ से गांधी यात्रा का जितना 21 दिन महात्मा गांधी जी जहाँ प्लेस पे गए थे, ये सभी प्लेस पे हम भी पद यात्रा करके 1 साल पहले इन सब बच्चों को लेके हम गए.
आप जा चुके हैं और इस साल भी जाने का इरादा है. कई सारे सारे लोग जा रहे हैं?
हम हर साल अपना जो पद यात्रा करते हैं, लेकिन लास्ट ईयर हमने ये पूरा यही रूट लिया था और एक पायलट स्टडी किया हुआ था।
और इस साल भी कई सारे काफी सारे लोग जुड़ने वाले हैं. So you can see that the kind of excitement for people who are seated here are actually going to be taking on the entire Dandi March, the way that Mahatma Gandhi had done, and also this is an annual event that people take part in, and of course just like every year this time as well, the youngsters of this country, several students, several professors from across professionals from across the state as well are going to be taking part in here. As of now, people eagerly waiting for the Prime Minister to get here so that they can flag off the entire celebration for the 75th year of independence. Back to you.
Right, of course. Many, many thanks, Priyanka, for getting us those latest developments that we're tracking from Ahmedabad, from Gandhi Ashram, where you can clearly see preparations are underway. People are eagerly waiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to arrive.